Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil in a Honda CRV. First, gather your supplies. A new oil filter, 5 quarts of the correct engine oil, a wrench, and an oil drain pan. Always prioritize safety by working on a level surface and using jack stands if you lift the vehicle. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe oil change process. Now, let's drain the old oil. Place your oil drain pan directly beneath the oil drain plug, usually found at the bottom of the engine. Using a 17mm wrench, carefully loosen and remove the plug. Allow the old oil to drain completely into the pan. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Once drained, replace the drain plug and tighten it securely. Next, it's time for the new oil filter. Use an oil filter wrench to remove the old filter. Before installing the new one, apply a thin film of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Hand tighten the new filter, then give it an additional 1/2 to 3/4 of a turn with the wrench. Finally, pour 5 quarts of fresh engine oil into the engine's oil fill cap. With the new oil and filter in place, start your engine for about 30 seconds to circulate the oil. Turn it off, wait a few minutes, then check the oil level using the dipstick. Ensure it's between the minimum and maximum marks. Also, inspect for any leaks around the drain plug and filter. Don't forget to reset your maintenance reminder light.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.